Hello there guys, this is Cloud the Dinosaur King, and today I'm back with another video on my pet chickens. So, today I just kind of wanted to introduce you to them, and just let you know, we lost one of them. We had to get rid of him, and we're going to have to get rid of another one, either today or tomorrow. But let me just get them out from under there, because I can't get them from under there. It's way too cramped and there's no way to get in. So I'm just going to force it out with my net. Okay, so this Isa Brown right here, her name is Peckles. I didn't name her that. One of my sister's friends named her that. This Brahma, oh, come here, boy, or girl, sorry, I'm pretty sure this one's a female. Anyway, let's see if we can get it. This Brahma right here is named Chickadee. Very fluffy chicken. Come here, girl. Get her out. Okay, this Japanese Bantam, her name's Wary. Because when she was a baby, she looked like a baby cassowary due to her stripes. This Isa Brown is named Dakota Jr. after Dakota, the Brahma who died. Okay. This Brahma right here, it's a rooster, definitely, because he started crowing yesterday. We're going to have to get rid of him because we can't have roosters. Come here, boy. His name's Mingming. We really have to change his name. My baby sister named him that. And then this one's my favorite. I'm guessing it's a male, a rooster, but we can keep Bantam roosters because Bantams are much quieter. Even porcelains themselves. This is a porcelain Bantam, a porcelain day uncle Bantam, named Sen. But porcelains are known for being really, really quiet. So he's got a little beard. But yeah. Let me just take him over to the flock. Okay. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. So please take care. Have a great day. Bye.